Cirrus 642, Mike, on retire, runway 14, turn right heading 250, clear for takeoff, wind 0804.
Clear for takeoff, 14, turn right heading 250, 642 Mike. Boost pump on, mixture rich, flaps 50%, recirc off. And let's do it.
Jet 402, con retire, you ready?
Airspeed alive, backups match primary.
402, con retire, you ready?
RPM good, oil pressure good. Looking for 77 and rotate.
Jet 402, con retire, yep.
Clear of obstacles and flaps up.
Cirrus 2, Mike, contact Houston Sparks heading 250, good day.
Over to Houston departure, 642 Mike.
Jet 402, con retire, you up?
Apps available.
Jet 42, hold short 14, ready to go.
Hey, keep it rolling.
Houston departure, Cirrus 642 Mike, 1300, climbing 2000, on assigned heading 250.
642 Mike, Houston departure at a contact, climb and maintain 4000.
Climb maintain 4000, 642 Mike. Okay, power lever mixture up, flaps up. Fuel pump is on boost. Fuel flow looks good in the green. Engine parameters are good. Cruise on deck.
And November 2 Mike, what is your destination?
Destination is Austin Bergstrom. If you can get us a more direct route, be very appreciated.
Mike, proceed direct to Austin.
Direct to Austin. Thank you so much, sir.